Hi everyone and welcome to my place. It's nearly Easter and this year I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I've been asked from many viewers if I could do more art type projects. So this is Easter / art, and it's a piece of work that once you've done it, you'll be able to put it away and bring it out each year. This is what I'm talking about. It's a canvas, and all I've done is I've got one of these transfers here which are easy to work with. That's just one of those peel that off like that. Position that onto your canvas like that. Give it a rub, and then with a stick, once that's in position like so, you're taking the backing out, and then all you do is to just rub to transfer the image to the other side. A little bit harder than that. And then what you do once you have it transferred over is you just peel that top layer off like that to have this fixed on to the canvas. Takes a little bit of rubbing, and what I suggest you do is to put something underneath that, like a book or something, so that you can really rub hard. So once you've done that, the next thing to do is to get some ribbon. You can use whatever ribbon you want, but I quite liked it with this Hesson ribbon here. I thought that that was quite nice. So what I did was, we'll just get rid of that, we can move on, we're just doing quick craft today. What I've done here is I have just stapled it, stapled to make it firm, or you could use the hot glue gun if you wanted. Okay, now, isn't that just beautiful? I just love it. I know my wee granddaughter and my wee best friend who's 4 next door is going to love this. Okay, now the next thing is to do your embellishing. Now I've got some lovely little miniature pots here. I've got 2 sizes here, and this one here, what I've got is these lovely paper flowers, and all I've done is I put a little bit of moss on down into the container like so, and then I've just glued all of those beautiful little paper craft flowers onto it. Now, when I was looking at my colours, it was like I saw these colours in that beautiful duck egg blue, and then these lovely sort of beautiful nudies, pale pinky colours. So that's why I decided that I really like that. So, or if you didn't want to do that, I've got these lovely Hesson flowers, which I thought could give it a completely different look if you wanted something that was more organic in nature. So with these and the glue gun, it is just a matter of gluing. Hold on. I knew that this was going to happen. Do you know what I'm going to do this year? This year I am buying myself a new glue gun. See this here? It's that jammed up with gunk and glue. It's not working. But anyway, the basis to the story is, moving along, is to just glue these lovely little pots onto the outside. Oh, now it's doing it. I just have to give it a wee push. I put that onto there like that, so that it's like Peter Rabbit's little garden. And then I've got this pot, and I do want to use that pot. That can go across and over to there. And then with these little pots, oh, I'm loving this idea. I know that the kids are going to love this, and it's going to be something that can come out every year. That can go onto there like so. That can go, oh, now it's working for me. Ooh, patience. And I'm just going to bring that little one down and into there. And then I've got these gorgeous eggs that I'm just going to fill up the base of and put those little eggs into there. But we have to be patient. Until these have cured and set, and that'll probably take 3 to 4 minutes. So on that note, I'll come back with the pickups, and I will show you what it looks like finished. Happy Easter, everyone, and I hope you all enjoy family time and you have a great occasion. See you again soon. Bye for now.